Hello, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 7. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter security and go to screen lock. Confirm with your current password, and as you can see right here, we've got 5 types of passwords: non-swipe pattern, PIN and password. Let's use all of them and let's start with none. Now let's select swipe, PIN, password, and in the end pattern. Once it's done, we can go to face and fingerprint unlock, and let's start with face unlock. Simply scan your face in this area. Now when my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. Last method of unlocking the phone is fingerprint unlock. Let's enter it and simply scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located at the bottom of the screen. Tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap done and it's set. Now let's use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.